Phil Spencer, Le Cuisinier de Ménage, the household chef, and today we're making garlic fried rice. This is the mise en place, what's necessary to make this dish, and of course I'll put this all down in the comments section below. I'm going to be using a wok here, so I'm going to heat that wok up to a medium to high heat, add that olive oil and butter, wait for that to get nice and melted, and then we'll add the garlic and the onions. I think it's important for me to mention, because I forgot, that if you don't have a wok, any nonstick skillet or pan will work just fine. So you see I've added a bit of salt and pepper, and I'm using a spatula here to mix it in, or you can actually toss and flip the pan as well, whatever you're most comfortable with. We're going to cook this garlic and onions until it's fragrant and translucent. Now it's time to add the rice, and I'm using leftover or cold rice that's been in the refrigerator overnight. It is best to use a spatula here to mix everything all together, and then you can go ahead and just toss and flip the pan. And you can see I did a little bit of both, using the spatula and also doing a little pan flip for you. And now it's time to add a little bit of soy sauce, and we're just going to do the same thing, keep mixing and tossing until all the oil and butter has been absorbed by the rice, and you can start to see it brown a little bit. Once all that oil and butter is absorbed and the rice is starting to brown a bit, you're finished. Enjoy this. It's a great cider, just even on its own. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.